Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update. It woke up, it went upwards. Now we are going to see the next price targets. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box. You can either choose Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee or our site, whatever you want, and you will get tons of benefits. In this week we have altcoin gems to get in, and be sure to get into our groups and join us. You will also get the manual system with over 90% win ratio, an automated system with 200 altcoins in which you can buy and sell, and you will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. Personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, live trading, random giveaways, pine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into ADA against USDT right now. Okay. So what happened with ADA is that we had a very high risk right there. We are correcting just a little bit, but this is not over. I would say this is far from over for ADA against USDT. This is a healthy, normal correction that we are doing every after pump because we need to get higher. And of course, it is due to Bitcoin's price action right here that we are going a little bit further down. We also have this bearish RSI divergence on the 4-hour frame. This is another reason we are correcting. Lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price. You can see that, right? Okay, so you can see the pattern right here, higher highs and lower highs in the RSI as well. This leads to a further dump, all right, so for some altcoins actually, and it leads to further dump mostly on the daily frame. But when you see it on the 4-hour frame as well, we are having some minor correction right there. Nothing to worry about for now, okay? Stochastic RSI is going further down into a way oversold situation right there. We are going to see where is the next support level for ADA. Do not worry about that. Let's go to ADA against USDT to see the risk metrics. Right now we are also correcting due to the fact that we have this commodity channel index on the daily frame for ADA. Okay, and of course the stochastic RSI into an overbought. Same with the Fisher transform. Not the same with the RSI, in which I believe that we are going to do something like this, and then we are going upwards again. Okay, so yes, we are going to correct more, maybe depending on Bitcoin's price action as well. We are going to see the Bitcoin USDT chart. Do not worry about that. But let's go to ADA against Bitcoin on the weekly frame. Right now you can see that on the weekly frame we have more room to grow. We have not done our best yet for ADA against Bitcoin chart, and I think we can grow even higher. On the time being though, we are correcting just like ADA USDT, but here we have something a little bit more bearish. We had also the RSI above the 70. Okay, this doesn't mean though that we are extremely bearish, but we will correct for sure. And of course, we depend more on Bitcoin. Okay, I would like a very strong bullish Bitcoin right there to pump ADA into the next price targets. You can see right here we have an extreme overbought in the commodity channel index as well. Same with the stochastic RSI. So the correction will be with us. I think that we are going to correct till the 1.618. Maybe here we will find a buying pressure, but if we do not, then I have actually I have more support levels for you. So we are going to draw our Fibonacci from this bottom up to this top right here, and you can see that one is here, the first support level, and the second is there. I think that this is one of the most important support levels for it against Bitcoin chart. We might be going down to this level as well, but anyway, let's see if we can manage to handle this target right here, this line of 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, after that we have some next targets right there in which you can focus in. You can see it was the resistance level back on 6 July as well, 2021, and now we might be going there again, but we have first, as we talked about, to correct a little bit for ADA against Bitcoin chart. Okay, and now we are going back to ADA against USDT. You remember that we had yesterday the 1.73 to 74 around there price target, but we didn't manage to get there. Now we are correcting a little bit. So what is the next what are the next support levels for ADA, and when we are going probably to have a buying pressure? I think that ADA, depending on Bitcoin's price action, as we talked about, I do not know if it will get even higher or not. For the time being, for example, Bitcoin is having a huge correction despite the fact that we have an extremely oversold on the commodity channel index, on the Fisher transform, and so on. Okay, I believe that Bitcoin won't be able to go down towards the levels of the 40,000 USD for now because of the fact that we have an extreme oversold situation on the 4-hour frame as well. Well, the only thing here that can happen, that could happen, is that Bitcoin would go down all the way crashing. Okay, if it crashes right here, then yes, this could happen. We could go to the 40,000 USD, and this is the most problematic right here for many altcoins, including ADA, that we do not know yet where Bitcoin is going to go, and unfortunately, Bitcoin is destroying some plans that we have. Okay, so for now, I would think that ADA could go potentially into the 1.48. If you want some more support levels right there, we can check out from this bottom up to this top right here. We have the 1.49 to 1.48. I think ADA is going to go there. It's going to meet these targets right there, except if Bitcoin has a crazy pump up. But okay, in a normal market, we are going down there. Okay. From there, we might be having a little bit of a buying pressure. If we do not have a buying pressure around this area, then we are going down to the 1.40, in which there is a first strong support level in which we will find buying pressure, almost certain that we are going to have a swing high. I'm not sure if we are going to surpass the 1.638 that we had as a high rate here on Binance USDT, but I am very optimistic that we could go further down into the 1.49, 48, and then we have a pump, or the 1.41, and then we will have a pump up. I do not think ADA is going to be done here. We rode the 50-day EMA exponential moving average since we had to do this since very long time, but you can see right here on 9 November we had rode actually the 50-day EMA exponential moving average, but then we had the crash of Bitcoin. You will remember that on 10 November, and it didn't let us to get even higher. Instead, we had a very success rate here, and now we hope that we can get past above here. For example, on the weekly frame, I think that we can grow even furthermore. In the time being, though, we found huge resistance in the 20-day EMA, but the risk metrics right here, you can see that they are still in an extreme oversold, and therefore on the weekly frame we can potentially grow even more. The only thing that it isn't is the weekly RSI, but we have a bullish RSI divergence, higher lows in the RSI, lower lows in the price. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You can find the links in the description box, and you will be getting altcoin gems right there in this week, in these market updates as well. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.